Hello everybody, I've got an Keso 2000 here. This was sent to me by v.d.e a very long time ago. I've just had one opening on it, so I feel lucky, so I thought I'll go for it. It's got an active element. It's sort of a carbon design style lock. The pins are on the side if you can see them. And guys, I'll have to keep it towards me a bit, so sorry for the angle, because if I don't keep it towards me, there's no way I'll be able to pick this thing, and it's quite a challenging pick. It's a 16 pin lock, I think. So I'm gonna try my best to see. Thing with this guy is I've just learned that I'll be using all sorts of dimple picks, sauber tools. I was using too much tension on the damn thing, so it wasn't working. So I just realized that not too much tension, just a bit of tension should do it. So I'm going to start from this side, then go up, then that side, because that's how I got the opening earlier. There you go, you see my tension wrench move slightly. It's not one of them locks, guys, that you can pick in a minute or two. Got stuck. It's quite, I found it. There you see, it moved again. It's like you got to set the pin, all the pins, otherwise, you know, if it's not set properly, it's not gonna open for you. So I'm gonna give it a little scrub as well. Call it cheating or whatever, guys. Now I'm gonna go in for the top pins with the Sauber big flag, just pushing it up. I'm gonna use that half diamond. Not feeling much on the top there. Try this gem. There we go. Felt a set there, nice. So, before I was using way too much tension setting the pins, so I wasn't getting nowhere with it. I think the top pins are set. hopefully. The top pin should be set now. Hopefully these side pins. There, you seen my tension wrench move. The tension wrench has moved a bit more. That's a good sign. Oh, I think I know what's not set. It's one of these here. Let's try this one. Thought it was that one. Obviously not. Let's check the side again. This side seems all set. Oh, got a bit more turn on the car there. It's not a lot what you can just pick in a couple of minutes, guys. Well, not for me anyway. Potty 1/2's coming to you, mate. Check the top. Let's check the top with the half diamond. This one. Yes, guys, done. Not bad, 9 minutes. 9 minutes, it was the top pins that weren't set. Thank you very much, v.d.e, for the lock, and I'm sorry about keeping you. I would gut it, but I don't want to make a mess of a decent lock. I'd rather pass it on to someone. Here, here's the key again. Show you guys again. So it's picked, and let's show you guys the insides, hopefully, as you can see. Let me get it close up. I don't know, you guys, my torch isn't strong enough, but yeah, you can see them top pins, them pins. Thank you guys.